Don't wanna hurt you with my honesty, but it seems to be causing friction between you and me. When I mention anything about my first love, my first love, you always asking questions about me, way I used to be, way back when I first came on the scene, which somehow ends up leading back to my first love, my first love.